Hello, in this video I'm going to show you step by step how to use the ElevenLabs link we sent you and how to use your voice in Cboard. Let's get started. First we need to log in to Cboard and make sure we're signed into our account. I'm going to log in with my Google account. Once we have the session started, we need to unlock the settings by clicking 3 times on the padlock in the upper right corner. Once we have clicked, now we must click on the gear to go to the settings. Once we are inside, we go to the section called Speech. There you will see a section called ElevenLabs. To use your voice from ElevenLabs, you need to enter an API key here. An API key is a unique code for your account that allows you to connect the Cboard application with ElevenLabs. To obtain the API key, first we need to go to elevenlabs.io and you can enter by clicking from here. Once we are in ElevenLabs, if you already have an account, you can log in from login. If not, to create an account, you have to click on sign up. I am going to create my account using Google Access, but you can also create it using email and password. With the account already created, choose the style, enter my name.
Choose the language.
And choose the platform. Plataforma. We are going to choose personal. We are going to choose voice cloning. And here we are going to click on skip. Very well. With the account already created and the session started, now you have to open the ElevenLabs link that we sent to your email. I have it here. I am going to copy it and paste it into the browser in a new tab. And I will go back to the previous tab I had open. As you can see, here it shows you a dialog in which it suggests using your promotional code. For this, it is necessary to subscribe. I am going to click on subscribe. Here it is necessary to fill in the card details, but as you can see, the total price is discounted with the coupon. So here we will each choose how to complete it. I will choose to complete with card. Once we fill in the details, we click on subscribe. And done. We have our ElevenLabs coupon activated. We can explore the platform a bit, but now I'm going to tell you how to clone the voice. Once the coupon is applied, you can clone your voice by going to the voices section. Then, in create or clone a voice, Day selects instant voice cloning if you only have up to 10 seconds of audio, or professional voice cloning if you have at least 30 minutes of audio. We click next, and here we can have a preview of the voice. We can name the voice, for example, Agus's voice in my case. And the description, we can also add tags that help us recognize the voice. and we save it. Here we click on skip. Very well, we already have our voice created. We can see it here where it says My Voices. In this section is the created voice. After this, we are going to create the API key. In the bottom left corner, click where it says Developers and select where it says Create an API key. Now we are going to click where it says Create Key, and here we are going to write the name of the key. In this case, I am going to name it Cboard. And we are going to grant access to the different options. In this case, I am going to grant access
to everything.
very well. Now we click on Create Key. Now it is very important that you save this key in a safe place. Remember that the key is shown only once. I am going to press where it says Copy to Clipboard, and I will save it in a notepad. Once we cleared on copy to the clipboard, we go back to Cboard, and in the ElevenLabs field, we paste the API key that we copied, and that's it. You can now choose your voice from the list of Cboard voices. And you can start using it. See you next time.